Gusto mong laging the highest floor when it comes to condo? Wait lang, kasi baka mali yung iniisip mo. Sometimes, the best floor is not the highest one. So just try to imagine sa 45th floor ka. And, merong maintenance yung elevator. Bawal itong gamitin. Kapag ikaw yung nasa pinakamataas, that means, ikaw yung huling susunduin ng elevator. So, ibig sabihin, kapag may emergency, earthquake, or fire drill, mas mahihirapan kang bumaba. Ito pa yung hindi napapansin ng iba. Minsan, sobrang taas mo na hindi mo na na-enjoy yung convenience ng mabilis na pagbaba. Especially kung lagi kang lumalabas, pumapasok sa work, gym, errands. Your time matters. So you have to ask yourself, is it really worth it to spend extra millions or maybe hundreds of thousands for that same unit na parehas lang din naman yung access sa amenities? That is why a lot of smart investors would just prefer mid-floors. Hindi sobrang taas, hindi sobrang baba. Balanse lang. Kaya when choosing to purchase a condo, don't just buy it for the flex. Base it on your current lifestyle. Kasi sa totoong buhay, convenience beats elevation. Convenience beats pagkitang tao lang. Ikaw, comment mo nga kung anong floor yung gusto mo.